Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March for all the Aquarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Sun controls your 7th house, and right now Sun is moving in your first house in the sign of Aquarius, where first house Lord Saturn is already moving. So right now in the month of March, your 7th house Lord is moving in your first house, especially till 14th of March. Till 14th of March, we can expect good results regarding your personality, regarding your general health, and your overall aspects of life due to presence of Saturn and Sun in your first house. Although Saturn will be in a combust position, and Saturn not considered friends in astrology, but your ascendant is right now in a strong position. That's why we can expect great result regarding your personality, regarding your fame, regarding your general health and overall aspects of life. Until 14th of March, Sun will stay in your first house, and from first house, Sun will also aspect your 7th house. So we can expect great result regarding your relationships in journal, regarding your marital matter and your business and business partnership related in the month of March, especially till 14th of March, because Sun is present in your first house till 14th of March. After 14th of March, your 7th house Lord will be moving in your second house. Second house will be your speech, your family history, your family legacy, your savings, your money matter, your tongue, mouth, and food intake habits are also seen from second house. So after 14th March, when 7th house Lord will be moving your second house, then you need to be take care of your mental. Then you need to be take care of your relationship and your marriage relationship. But you may have to face some type of ego battle with your partner, spouse, and with your family member due to presence of Rahu and Sun in your second house after 14th of March. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Aquarius Ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 8th house and your 5th house. And right now your 8th house and 5th house Lord is moving in your first house in the sign of Aquarius. Mercury will stay in your first house till 8th of March. After 8th of March, your Mercury will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. Fifth house will be your early education, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, related matters seen from 5th house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities also seen from 5th house. Your children is also seen from 5th house. Eighth house will be the sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Your in-laws related matter is seen from 8th house. Your secret activity, sexual organs, sexual relationships also seen from 8th house. So right now 5th house and 8th house Lord is moving in your first house till 8th of March. So till 8th of March, we can expect great result regarding your education related matter. If you are in education life, also we can expect your planning abilities will support you in the month of March due to presence of Mercury in your first house, especially till 8th of March. Also, if you have any love relationship, sincere love relationship, then we can expect great result. Uh, then we can expect good result for your love relationship in the month of March due to presence of your 5th house Lord in your first house. Eighth house Lord is also moving in your first house, and 8th house is right now occupied by Ketu is moving in your 8th house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But in the month of March, your a but in the month of March, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your first house, which is till 8th of March. So you need to be drive carefully, and you may have to face some type of sudden events regarding your sudden events in your life due to presence of Ketu in your 8th house. But after 8th of March, when Mercury will move from your second house, so from second house, Mercury will also aspect your 8th house. So things will be okay after 8th of March in your life regarding your certain events related matter due to presence of Mercury in your second house, and from second house Mercury will also aspect its own house. So Mercury will strengthen, Mercury will provide support to your 8th house. Also your 5th house Lord will be moving in your second house. After 8th of March, when Mercury will move from your first house to second house, then you need to be take care of your education related matter and your love relationship, because your Rahu is already moving in your second house, and your 5th house Lord will join Rahu after 8th of March in your second house. You may have to face some type of communication related difficulty with your loved ones, children, or etc. etc. So we can expect result from Mercury for all the Aquarius and people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aquarius and people, Venus controls your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now your fourth house and ninth house Lord is moving in your 12th house in the sign of uh, Capricorn, where Mars is already present in its exalted position, because whenever Mars is moving in Capricorn sign, Mars will very good result. Mars will stay in your 12th house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your 12th house to your first house in your ascendant with Saturn in the month of March. So your fourth house will be your properties, your vehicles, your conveniences related matter is seen from fourth house, your home, your relationship with your mother, your conveniences, your emotions is also seen from fourth house. Ninth house will be your father, teachings of your father, your DNA is represented by ninth house, your long distance travel, your higher education means your postgraduate education is also seen from ninth house, your religious matter, religious inclination, religious knowledge, and philosophical knowledge also seen from ninth house. So ninth house and your fourth house Lord is moving in your 12th house till 8th of March, because Venus will stay in your 12th house till 8th of March. After 8th March, Venus will move from your 12th house to first house in the sign of Aquarius. So till 8th of March, we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter and your foreign settlement related matter if you want to previously try to. If you were previously tried to move from your birthplace to some different country, then we can expect your process will boost up in the month of March, and also you will get to chance to travel somewhere in the month of March due to presence of Venus, your ninth house Lord in your 12th house. And fourth house we deal with your homeland. Homeland Lord is also moving in your 12th house. That's why we can expect great result regarding the foreign settlement related matter. All the matters related to foreign is seen from 12th house. So fourth house and ninth house, both the good houses Lord is moving in your 12th house. The 12th house right now is in a strong position. That's why we can expect great result regarding all of this matter related to 12th house and foreign related matter. So we can expect these results from Venus till 8th of March. After 8th March, when Venus will move from your 12th house to first house, then we can also expect great result regarding your foreign settlement related matter due to presence of your 12th house. Saturn controls your 12th house and first house, and right now your 12th house Lord is in a strong position in your first house. And after 8 March, your fourth house Lord and ninth house, which represent travel and which represent your homeland, will be also moving in your first house with your 12th house Lord. That's why we can expect great result regarding your foreign travel and foreign related matter in the month of March from Venus. So we can expect these results from Venus to all the Aquarius and people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aquarius and people, Moon controls your sixth house, and right now your sixth house Lord is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March we are predicting for whole month. Because Moon is a very fast moving planet, Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving your 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulty, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow, issues, problem, and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And second important thing to judge Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through Moon is moving there naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aquarius and people, Mars controls your third house and your 10th house. And right now your third house and 10th house Lord is present in exalted position in your 12th house, because right now Mars is moving in Capricorn sign. And as we discussed previously, Mars gives very good result in Capricorn sign. 10th house deals with your work environment is seen from 10th house, how much authority you will have in your life is seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career, in your occupation, in your business is also seen from 10th house, your bosses, your superior, your co-worker, and nature of your work is also represented by 10th house. Third house represents your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your younger brothers and sisters. Seen from third house, your communication related matter, your effort, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house, your hardworking ability seen from third house, your hand skills also seen from third house, which is basically your communication skills seen from third house. So right now, third house and 10th house Lord is moving in a very strong position in your 12th house. That's why in Venus section, you may get good result regarding your foreign related matter. If your work is somehow connected to foreign, if you're working some related to export import, or your earnings come from foreign, or anything you are working in a multinational company, then we can also expect great result regarding your work related matter. Also, you will get some type of promotion in the month of March due to presence of Mars in the exalted position in your 12th house. Your expenses may be exceed in the month of March because from 12th house we also see your expenses, but these expenses will be proved very beneficial for you due to presence of Mars in Capricorn sign. After 16th of March, when Mars will move from your 12th house to first house, then we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter, regarding your skills related matter, and your communication related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your fame, work, and your personality related matter due to presence of your 10th house lord in your first house after 16th of March. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Aquarius and people in the month of March. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your first house. Means Sun is moving in your ascendant, and Sun will stay in your first house till 14th of March. After 14th of March, Sun will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your first house, and Mercury will stay in your first house till 8th of March. After 8th March, Mercury will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 12th house, and Mars will stay in your 12th house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your 12th house to first house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 12th house, and Venus will stay in your 12th house till 8th March. After 8th March, Venus will move from your 12th house to first house in the sign of Aquarius. For today's video, monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Aquarius ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.